Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you reset your password in Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening up Candy Crush guys, go ahead and log in to your account. So guys, here is my game. Let's go ahead and open it up, and after logging in we'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the game. So guys, this is considering if you can log in, if you remember your password. If you do not remember your password and you want to reset it, then just go ahead and open up the game guys, and you'll be greeted by this kind of screen where you can go ahead and connect your account. It will say my account and play. So guys, now what we want to do to be able to reset our password is, if we log in, then in this main screen right here, we want to go ahead and click the settings icon at the top of the screen in the upper right corner. And after clicking the settings icon guys, is going to go ahead and give us the option to go ahead and reset our password. Like guys, if you cannot remember your password, then what you have to do is go to the main page right here and click my account, and when it gives you the option to connect your account, just go ahead and select that you have forgotten your password. So guys, click on forgot password and it will give you the instructions to go ahead and reset the password using your email, and after that you'll be able to reset it and log in again. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.